Is Shuliao.com safe, or is it just another online trap waiting for your money? Let's break it down, because what I found might save you a serious headache, or even your bank account. First, trust ratings don't lie. Independent platforms like ScamAdvisor give Shuliao.com a shockingly low score, just 17 out of 100. That's a huge red flag, and it means you should think twice before clicking Buy Now. Next, check out the site's design tricks. Scarcity tactics, like fake countdown timers, try to rush your decisions. That's classic scam behavior, pressuring you into quick purchases before you spot the warning signs. Now, about their business info, it just doesn't add up. The site's About Us might say it's a clothing store, but you'll see all kinds of random products for sale. Plus, their contact details are sketchy at best. No real address, no working phone, and just a generic email. Dig a little deeper, and you'll see the domain was only registered for a year. Scammers love this trick. Pop up, grab some cash, and vanish before anyone can catch them. And those product photos? Most of them are straight up stolen from trusted retailers like Amazon. If you see something that looks too familiar, it probably is, just not from Shuliao.com. If you've already ordered from them, don't panic. First, block your card and call your bank. Ask for a chargeback to try and get your money back, then file a fraud report with your local authorities. For all future shopping, make it a habit to check any website's reputation on ScamAdvisor or the Better Business Bureau before entering your payment info. Stay sharp, shop safe, and don't let scammers win.